how to remove the Starlock blade from the DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. So you need an Allen key here, and you want to put it into this section here, and you want to untighten it like that. Do it by finger. Oh, there you go. Make sure you don't lose that, because you want to keep it in case you ever want to add a Starlock, and you'll want to keep this off. So this is the two bits what are keeping it attached. Now, with them kept safe, you can go back to the universal blade and simply slip it in like that, and off you go. But that's how easy it is to remove a Starlock blade from your DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. If you found this video helpful, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.